Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're just going over what's in the box when you get your new Altair Outlaw. So, if you open up the box, you're going to find the styrofoam container. It's going to have the direction book. It's going to have a little warning. We don't want you to ever leave your LiFo batteries charging unattended. Another warning, don't ever fly this drone indoors. This is an outdoor drone only. Keep that in mind. You're going to have a battery and it's going to come with this tiny little black cap installed over the pins. In order to install that into the drone, you have to take this plug out, so be aware of that. You got the drone with 4 propellers already installed. No battery, that's where the battery is going to go. Camera on the front. Okay. Got the drone charger, battery charger. This is a mount for your phone, to mount your phone with the controller. This is a little baggie with a screwdriver for battery installation. This wrench here is for uninstalling and installing the propellers, and these silicone circles are also for installing the propellers. Please don't lose those, you're going to need those. And the remote control is underneath, right here. And there's a set of extra propellers underneath as well. So that's everything that comes in the box. Just make sure you have everything.